Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare greens powder versus multivitamin. Greens powders are packed with concentrated nutrients from various fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. They often include beneficial probiotics, digestive enzymes, and adaptogenic herbs. Many users report improved digestion, enhanced energy levels, and better overall well-being. It's a convenient way to boost your daily intake of plant-based goodness. Now, let's look at multivitamins. These supplements deliver precise, measured doses of essential vitamins and minerals, designed to fill common nutritional gaps. They are formulated to ensure you get adequate amounts of key nutrients like vitamin D, B vitamins, and iron. Multivitamins are a straightforward way to support your body's basic functions and overall health. Deciding between a greens powder and a multivitamin depends on your individual needs. If you're looking for broad nutritional support, gut health benefits, and a boost from whole foods, a greens powder might be ideal. However, if you have specific nutrient deficiencies or want precise dosages of essential vitamins, a multivitamin is often the more targeted choice. For some, combining both a greens powder and a multivitamin can offer comprehensive nutritional support, addressing both whole food benefits and specific nutrient needs. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your unique health profile. And speaking of making life easier, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers for your meal prep. They are a game changer for healthy eating on the go. Find the link and other great affiliate deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.